Hello students, I am Dr. V.P. Deshpande, Head Department of Physics, Shivaji Arts, Commerce and Science College, Kannada. Now, your today's article is hydrogen bonding and metallic bonding. First of all, hydrogen bonding. The crystals which exhibit the hydrogen bonding have the cohesive energy in the range of zero point 0.1 to zero point 0.5 electron volt per atom. Typical examples are ice, organic compounds, and biological materials. As has been already mentioned that hydrogen molecules forms a covalent bond. However, it is postulated that an atom of hydrogen and extremely electronegative atom like oxygen, fluorine, nitrogen, chlorine, etc. can form an additional electrostatic bond which is termed as hydrogen bond. In this case, the two electronegative ions are drawn together by positive hydrogen ions halfway between them as shown in figure. This is hydrogen bond in between two ions. Which is termed as a hydrogen bond. In this case, these two electronegative ions are drawn together by positive hydrogen ions halfway between them as shown in figure. Explaining the abnormally short fluorine-fluorine distance in NaHF2 hydrogen bonding also explains the interaction between H2O molecules. The OH bond between an oxygen atom of the molecules of the H2O and hydrogen atoms of another molecules of H2O behaves as a tiny dipole with negative charge on the oxygen atoms and an equal positive charge on the hydrogen atom. The electrostatic attraction between these two charges is responsible for the formation of hydrogen bond. Similarly, it is revealed that the hydrogen bonding exists in ferroelectric solids like K2PO4 in double helix model or dextro DNA and in alpha helix form of proteins. The hydrogen bond, although stronger than the pure van der Waals interaction, is generally of the form of the same order of magnitude of the interaction energy of the hydrogen bond is given by phi of r is equal to minus of Ch upon r square, where Ch is constant and r is the distance between atoms forming the hydrogen bonds. Next is metallic bonding. The metallic bond conformed to metal has cohesive energy of the order of 1 to 5 electron volt per atom. In the covalent bonding of crystal, two valence electrons, one from each atom, are shared by these two atoms, whereas in metallic bonding, the valence electrons are not bound to a particular pair of the atoms but move freely throughout the metal as a free electron gas. Therefore, metallic bond can be regarded as an assembly of positive ions immersed in a gas of free electrons. Therefore, the Koizu energy can be estimated using an approach similar to that for an ionic crystal. However, the agreement obtained between theory and experiment has not been satisfactory. The quantum mechanical treatment provides better arrangement for the Koizu energy of metallic atoms is assumed to be an ion core and the valence electrons in the outer shell. The Koizu energy of a metallic bond crystals consists of three contributions: Coulomb electrostatic ions-ions interaction, the kinetic exchange and correlation energies for of the electron gas, and the electron ion interaction energy including average potential energy of the ions with a uniform neutralized background of the valence electrons. The details of these contributions will be taken up in the crystal data for some of the metals is listed in table below.